Hey everyone, it's your man G-Man coming back at you with another figure review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Bandai DX Chogokin VF-1A Valkyrie Hayao Kakizaki movie edition. This figure was released in August of 2020 and it retailed for 18,000 yen excluding tax, which is about 160 US dollars. I purchased this figure a couple of weeks ago from Amazon JP. Normally Amazon JP doesn't allow international shipping of newly released figures, but I guess due to existing circumstances they removed that restriction, and so I paid about 260 US dollars, and that was with shipping. Last time I checked the price on Amazon JP, the price had jumped to already, 300 bucks. So I would say if you're going to get this figure, you might want to jump on it now before the late tax gets to be too steep. So anyway, it comes in this brown shipper box. I'm going to remove the brown shipper box. We'll take a look at the actual labeling of the figure box itself, and then we'll unbox it. The next part, which will be released in a few days, that will cover fighter mode, and then we'll do Gearwalk mode, and then finally Batroid mode. And I do have pretty much every other 1/48 scale Valkyrie release, so we'll be comparing it to a few of those figures, maybe not all, but we'll definitely compare it, try to get you some comparisons in here with those figures, as well as maybe some Masterpiece Transformers or something like that. So anyway, let me get this out of the box and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so we're back. So here's the box. Very nice green. We got the side here, that side, we got this side, we got this guy, and then here is the back with all the specs and whatnot. Shows you the different modes. The packaging always, from Bandai is fantastic. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this guy unboxed and see what's in here. Hey guys, so we're back. So let's cover the lower tray first. We have the stand adapters for the various modes, and then we have the instruction manual here. Now it's very interesting, this figure actually comes with decals. I believe this is the first Bandai 1/48 scale release that included these. If I'm incorrect about that, feel free to let me know in the comments. But that's very interesting. You get some decals there. That's pretty cool. So here's the figure. So we have the arm for the display stand. We have the transformation tool, display stand adapter. We have the intake covers, various hands for posing. We have the gun with the strap, the two antenna for Gearwalk mode. We have Mr. Hayao Kakizaki right there. Of course, we have the figure itself, and then we have the gap fillers for Batroid mode. So that's pretty much everything that comes in the box, guys. These unboxing videos are typically pretty short. Yeah, so next time we will cover the figure in fighter mode, and that'll be up in a couple of days. So again, guys, I'm really sorry for not doing figure reviews in a while. I do have some other stuff that I need to get to. That's going to be really, really good stuff. But I appreciate you guys being so patient. Anyway, this is your man G-Man coming back at you with another video. If you like this video, be sure to give it a like, and subscribe to the channel, please, if you haven't already. Alright guys, talk to you later. Peace.